Today I'm going to share with you the one piece of advice that I wish I had received when I became a salon owner. Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I am Tony and I am the founder of Successful Salons. I inspire and educate salon owners who are looking to create a successful salon through proven systems and strategies and unique marketing tools. Have you ever wished as a salon owner that you could make a business decision in the best interest of your business without second guessing yourself or kicking yourself for making a bad decision? I totally get it, because I was there once too, but not anymore. What if I told you my top 3 pieces of business advice for being a super confident, successful salon owner who creates more revenue? By following this advice in this video with intention and strategy, you're going to be a super confident business owner who can make decisions and feel good about those decisions, and this is going to have a huge effect on your bottom line. Okay, so have you ever looked at another salon owner or another salon and thought, oh my gosh, they've got it all together, or why can't I do that, or why am I not doing that, or why didn't I think of that? My biggest piece of advice that I can give you is that don't compare your chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 20. You don't know where somebody is in their salon owner's journey. You don't know how long they've been a salon owner. You don't know who's around them, who's helping them, or anything like that. So I strongly suggest that you stick to your lane, focus on your business, and not compare your chapter 1 with somebody else's chapter 20. Which brings me to my second piece of business advice. So many times we think about making a decision and we think, what if it goes wrong? What if this happens? And we are always thinking about the worst case scenario. I want to encourage you to think about, what if it worked out? What if it went to plan? What if this is the income that you got from it? What if? And I want you to think about the positive. It's so easy for us to think about the negative. This is our ego trying to keep us safe. That's why we go into the what if it doesn't work out, or what if this happens? But that's just our ego trying to keep us safe. But what if it did work out? What if this amazing thing happened from something that you thought of doing? I really want to encourage you to think about, what if this works out? What if I do it this way? And think about the positive results and not the negative results. So the next piece of advice that I wish that I had received was making business decisions. When you make a business decision, is there actually a difference between making a decision for you and for your business? The answer is yes. Being a salon owner is a huge responsibility, and it's an even bigger responsibility when you have team members. Your first priority as a business owner is to make sure that you stay in business. So when making a decision in your business, it really just comes down to, is this in the best interest of my business? When you start to make decisions from a place of, is this in the best interest of my business, you will start to see the effect it has on your bottom line. So many times as a salon owner, we can get caught up in being distracted by the shiny object syndrome, and we can see like, oh, if we got this in the salon, this could make this much money. If we got this in the salon, we could do this. If I got a new team member, we could do this. But you actually have to really sit down and have a look and see if it really is in the best interest of your business, or is it just a nice want? Is it just something that will make your life easier, or is it really in the best interest of your business? So there you have it, the 3 pieces of business advice that I wish I had received when I first became a salon owner. You now have 3 very clear strategies to become a successful salon owner who is confident when making decisions in the best interest of your business. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, I invite you to do so. And if you're looking for any extra support, then you can always join us in Successful Salons Club. Be sure to watch out for next week's episode.